Have you ever wondered how 3D animation and artificial intelligence can combine to create captivating stories? In this ever-advancing digital age, AI is revolutionizing various industries, and animation is no exception. Just imagine the sophisticated algorithms of AI meshing with the creativity of 3D animation. It's a fascinating intersection that's paving the way for unique storytelling methods. Artificial intelligence is not just about automation and efficiency. It's about augmenting our capabilities to tell stories in ways we've never explored before. It simplifies the complex processes involved in 3D animation, making it more accessible and versatile. Additionally, AI enhances the animation process by generating intricate details and lifelike movements that were once challenging to achieve manually. The result? Engaging, immersive, and unique stories that captivate audiences like never before. So, are you ready to explore this exciting fusion of technology and creativity? Let's delve into the exciting world of 3D animation, powered by AI. Before we dive into the AI aspect, it's important to understand the basics of 3D animation. Imagine a block of clay waiting to be sculpted. That's where we start with 3D animation. The first step is modeling, where we sculpt our character or object, giving it form and structure. Once our model is built, we move on to rigging. This process is like building a skeleton for our model, providing a framework that allows us to manipulate the character's movements. But a sculpture is more than just form and movement, right? That's where texturing comes in. This process is like painting our sculpture, adding color and texture, making our model come to life. Finally, we have rendering. This is where we take our animated, textured model and produce the final image. It's like taking a photograph of our sculpture, capturing the lighting, shadows, and all the intricate details. These elements, when combined, contribute to the overall storytelling process, allowing us to create lifelike animations that captivate and engage. Now that we've covered the basics of 3D animation, let's introduce AI into the mix. So, how does artificial intelligence enhance the 3D animation process? Well, it's quite fascinating. Artificial intelligence has the power to automate the less exciting parts of animation, like in-betweening or tweening, the process of generating intermediate frames between two images. This not only saves precious time for animators, but also allows them to focus more on the creative aspects of their work. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It can also significantly improve the quality of animations. With sophisticated algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to create more realistic movements and expressions, resulting in animations that are more lifelike than ever before. For example, Disney has used AI to generate more realistic and dynamic hair and clothing movements in their animated films. Moreover, AI can even generate creative ideas. It can learn from thousands of hours of animations and come up with unique character designs, storylines, and more. This is particularly useful when animators are grappling with a creative block. Clearly, AI has the potential to take 3D animation to new heights. But how can you, as an individual, leverage this potential? Creating your own 3D animation AI stories might seem daunting, but it's a journey worth embarking on. Here's how you can get started. Step 1 is to immerse yourself in the world of 3D animation. Consume as many animated films and series as you can, understanding how stories are told visually. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the necessary tools. Software like Blender and Maya are industry standards, and learning them is crucial. Next, develop your storytelling skills. A captivating story is the backbone of any animation. You can take storytelling courses online or read books on the subject. Following that, learn about artificial intelligence. AI can automate many aspects of animation, making your job easier. Online courses and tutorials can help you understand this technology. Finally, practice. Start with small projects, gradually increasing in complexity. Don't be disheartened by initial failures. They are stepping stones to your success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now, let's talk about how you can turn your passion for 3D animation and AI into a profitable venture. Unleashing your creativity through 3D animation AI stories opens up a world of monetization opportunities. One such opportunity is selling your animations. The digital age has made it incredibly easy to reach potential buyers all around the globe. Then there's the chance to share your knowledge with others by creating educational content. You can develop courses or tutorials on 3D animation and AI and sell them online. This not only allows you to earn money, but also helps in building a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Additionally, you can offer animation services, providing tailored solutions for businesses, advertisers, and even individuals who require unique animated content. Each of these opportunities has its own potential and challenges. The key is to explore and find what works best for you and aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, what you create is unique, and there's a market out there that values your creativity. In the world of 3D animation and AI, the only limit is your imagination. So go ahead and start creating your own stories today.